Take a deep breath in, then top it off with another. Hold, and then just let it a long sigh out your mouth. You might feel an immediate reduction in the sensation of stress throughout your body. This is a famous breathing exercise called the Physiological Sigh. It was made famous by Dr. Andrew Huberman, a neuroscientist from Stanford with a large podcast, if you haven't heard of him, who ran a randomized controlled trial of this breathing exercise against other commonly practiced breathing and mindfulness practices. The results showed, at least among the techniques that were studied, that this physiological sigh gave a greater reduction in cortisol, the stress hormone, than any other technique that was studied. And so for many folks, this has become the go-to science-based breathwork technique, at least for stress reduction. Seeing this study has been fascinating for me as a longtime practitioner of Qigong, which has a deep history of regulating the mind and body through the breath. Because in Qigong, we use very similar techniques, doing a faster inhale, a very long extended exhale, using this to reduce stress by activating the parasympathetic tone in the nervous system, which responds more to the exhale than the inhale. But how you exhale in Qigong is actually quite important. And there can be quite a bit of nuance to how different forms of exhaling, especially different forms of sighing, can actually affect different bodily systems. In fact, in Qigong, we actually have 6 ways of sighing, and many more if you count them all, but 6 primary ways of using a sighing breath to clear various forms of stress, of negative emotional tone, and even of disease from the body. So I invite you to try this technique with me for the next few minutes. We'll be doing basically the same technique as the physiological sigh, but the sighing part, we'll use these 6 different techniques to sighing, as well as 6 different locuses of internal awareness, so that we have a 3-layered technique of not just using sighing breath, but also using vagal toning and interoception of our viscera to root out stress where it's most deeply held in the body. I'm Nick Lawfrey. Let's get started. Find yourself a seat with your spine nice and long. Reach up through the crown of your head. Start with breathing through your nose. Close your lips. Rest your tongue against the roof of your mouth. And just watch your natural breath for just a few rounds. Just notice the breath going in and out of the body. And then this big sniff. Top it off. We'll release with the lung sound, letter S. Hold the breath out for a moment. And then again sniffing, big sniff, and then topping it off. Hold. Repeat the sigh for the lungs. Hold the breath out for a moment. Big sniff again. Top it off and hold. The next sound is for the kidneys. The sound is choo. All the sounds are done in a whisper, like a sigh. We make them as long as possible to stimulate parasympathetic nervous system. Hold it out for a moment at the bottom. And then again, a big sniff. Topping it off. And the kidney sigh again. Imagine like you're breathing out of your kidneys. Breathing out stress, breathing out tension from the body. Your kidneys are in your low to mid back on either side of your spine. All the way out. We'll sniff through the nose again. Topping it off and holding. And next is the liver sigh. SH. It's like you're telling someone to be quiet. Imagine like you're breathing out of the liver under the right front ribs below your chest, below the diaphragm. It's almost like a gentle squeeze on the liver, like you're literally pushing the air out of it. Again, sniffing breath. Hold, and repeating the liver sound. Sniff again. Hold and prepare for the heart sigh, which is a Haaa sound. As though you're breathing directly out of the heart. Use your interoception. Be aware of these organs as we breathe. Again, a sniffing breath. Sounds. Sniffing breath. Hold, prepare for the Pancreas sound. Hoough. This one very guttural, as though you're breathing out of your stomach. Your stomach is not in your abdomen, it's under your left front ribs below the chest, opposite your liver. Let's do another. Find your sipping breath. Holding. And out with the spleen or pancreas sound. Long and guttural. Sniffing it again. Finding the sound we call the triple burner sound, which is a whispered Heee. The sound is not for a particular organ, it's more for the relationship between the organs. So you can place your attention inside the body into the space between the organs, like the fascia that holds all the organs in place. Do it again, sniffing in. Holding and releasing slowly with the Heee sound. Just using that interoception, being aware of the space between, the relationship between the organs. Back to natural breathing through your nose, just watching the breath, noticing how you feel. And you can stay here as long as you like, just enjoying that calm feeling, or slowly come out of it. If you'd like to go deeper into this routine, you can join my Deeper Current membership right here on YouTube by clicking join. We have deeper versions of many of my videos, as well as much other members only content. You can also head to my website, nicklawfrey.com, find my free course, as well as certification path for those who wish to teach. So head to nicklawfrey.com for more. Thanks.